Hi guys, welcome to Technology in the Future. Today we are introducing you the concept of Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro. It is the most powerful phone that you ever seen by a Samsung company. It is supposed that it contains the powerful processor, awesome camera setup, and it loads with more interesting specifications. It contains very good range of colors. Well, its finishing is too good to watch. It has the network of 4G LTE high quality. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro has a curved glass back like it also creates the fantastic effects. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro has a display of 6.75 inch with powerful 2K screen resolution. This phone gives you the high quality HDR display that you ever seen. Now coming to its CPU, it has the interesting Snapdragon 855 octa-core, which is the most powerful processor that you ever came in the market. Its operating system is newly updated of Android 9.0 MIUI 10 Android. It contains the 12 GB of fast RAM and 128 GB of ROM. Now let's discuss its camera. For the most part, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro experience has an excellent types. It contains the main camera of 12 megapixel and selfie cam of 10 megapixel. It records the video of 4K high resolution. It has the battery capacity of 4500 mAh Li-on battery fast chargeable. This phone has an extensive battery backup which gives you the long lasting battery timing. Well, these are some interesting specifications that we brought to you. Stay tuned for more updates and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon button. Well, we will meet you in the next video.